Welcome to Bullseye Protection Support Series. In this video, we'll walk you through how to calibrate your EAS RF system mono antenna using the electronic board. Our systems are designed for self-installation, so you don't need to be a technician. We'll guide you clearly and step by step. In this support video, we will go over the following sections. Section 1, examples of sources of interference. Section 2, accessing the electronic board. Section 3, checking for false phantom alarms. Section 4, fine-tuning sensitivity and volume. And Section 5, optional advanced settings. Before making any adjustments to the system configuration, check the surrounding environment for possible sources of interference. Active security tags. Ensure there are no security tags within a 6-foot radius of the antenna in any direction. Nearby metal. Look for metal frames or large metal objects near the system. These can affect performance. Metal doors with horizontal handles. These may cause interference. Try insulating the handles as a test. Wiring. Check for electrical wires running parallel to the antenna. Reroute them if possible. Window signs. Neon or LED signs placed in or near windows can interfere with detection. Turn them off temporarily and test the system. Nearby equipment. Electrical coolers, refrigerators, or ATM machines close to the antenna may also affect system performance. Please contact our office with any questions before making adjustments to the system. The electronic board is located at the bottom of the antenna, behind one of the black covers. This presentation will show the metal system, but the configuration with a plexiglass system is the same. On the bottom right of the antenna cover, there's a small hole. Look inside for a brass color. That's the side with the board. A second option is to trigger the system alarm using a security tag. The side where the alarm sounds louder is the one with the board. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on that side's cover. Once open, you'll see the electronic board and you should see the electronic components of the circuit board. Plug in the system. You should hear a brief beep and see the LED light flash once. If it keeps beeping with no tag nearby, that's a phantom alarm. Locate the jumpers labeled P2 and P3 at the top of the board. These jumpers control the transmitting loops inside the antenna. If you remove one, it shuts down part of the antenna's signal. That can help eliminate interference from things like metal doors, nearby wiring, or electronics. Try removing P2, the left jumper. If the phantom alarms stop, leave it off. If not, put it back and try removing P3, the right jumper. One of the jumpers, P2 or P3, must always be on for the system to detect. Still false alarming, remove the P5 jumper, FS and ARC, just above and to the left of the fuse. Pay attention, these jumpers are horizontal. FS stands for Frequency Select, P5 1. This narrows system frequency to reduce background interference. The default is off. Use if false alarms persist. ARC stands for Automatic Resonance Control, P52. Helps the system memorize interference patterns. The default is off. Enable only if recommended. Removing the FS and ARC jumpers can reduce false alarms, but it may also slightly reduce detection range, so use it only if you're having consistent phantom alarms. Don't worry. If removing a jumper doesn't help, just put it back on. These are safe to test. Be careful, the sensitivity and volume adjustments only turn so far. If it stops turning, do not force it as it can break. Turn the R67 sensitivity dial to the right to increase sensitivity and detection range. Turn left to reduce sensitivity and detection range. Increase sensitivity if you're not detecting tags close to the system. Decrease it if the system is picking up tags too far away or false alarming from nearby electronics. Turn the R155 dial to the right to increase alarm volume. Turn left to lower it. Alarm length, P41. Sets alarm duration to 1.5 or 3 seconds. The default is 1.5 seconds. Alarm rate, P42, changes how fast the alarm beeps. Useful for identifying which antenna triggered the alarm. Test the system with a security tag. Confirm detection and absence of false alarms. Once confirmed, reattach the antenna cover using the screws. That's it. You've now successfully calibrated your EAS RF system using the electronic board. Need help during setup? Call or text us at 305-539-3808. Email sales@bullseyeprotection.com. We're happy to assist you by phone, text, or video call. Thanks for choosing Bullseye Protection. And thanks for protecting what matters most.